Wednesday, November 2nd edition of the Carolina Weather Video here, and another cold start to the day out there today with temperatures this morning well down into the 30s across the region. Actually, a number of sites managed to dip below the freezing mark again this morning. But another nice afternoon. We'll see sunshine all day long, highs in the 60s, and a similar type of deal tomorrow. But some weather changes coming. We have a system set to arrive Thursday night. That should get out of the way in time for a nice-looking weekend, and then sort of a pattern change, at least temporarily, as we get into next week. But, boy, the snow is really flying this morning back into Colorado and Nebraska, and a lot of winter weather products out for that. In fact, those are some blizzard warnings that you see out in the front range of the Rockies there. Check out a couple camera shots from around Denver this morning. There's a webcam shot from one of the DOT cameras there. From, again, around Denver, and here is another one just near whiteout conditions with snow, temperatures in the 20s, and north winds gusting into the 20s, 30s, and even 40s at times. That's the deal back where the snow is flying this morning. Now, it's chilly around here. Temps in the 30s, but no snow. In fact, not even any clouds out there. Totally clear sky for much of the region. Here's the upper air pattern for today. That system that's causing all that snow in the Rockies and the Plain States will advance slowly eastward. Here's the setup as we get into late tomorrow. Pretty potent upper level low swinging on in, and it'll be slow to move through the area. By Friday afternoon, it's just beginning to clear out off to the east. Now, as we get into the weekend, here's Sunday's map, and notice some ridging beginning to set up. We'll see a nice warming trend with some actually probably above average temperatures for many spots in the region as we get into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. And there's the European, the next system swinging in by around Thursday of next week. Let's talk about today. Sunshine, highs in the 60s, really a very nice day. Out to tomorrow, we're going to see still a good amount of sun. It looks like the timing of this will be slow enough that still a lot of sun for the region tomorrow. But tomorrow night, there's the rain moving in. That is the GFS representation of how things look as we get into the early morning hours on Friday. And then it looks like, due to the upper level energy moving through, the at least light rain and clouds are going to linger through a majority of the day on Friday. Now here's the Canadian model, valid Friday morning at 8 a.m. Rain across the region. European, same time frame, 8 a.m. Friday, and very much the same. Rain across the region as that low pressure pulls through. But the system's got in time for another good-looking weekend. Saturday will feature sunshine with a lot of our highs in the 50s. Sunday back into the 60s for highs with lots of sun. And then again, the warming trend with us. There's Monday's map, and there's Tuesday. We're probably going to see at least some lower 70s creeping into the picture, for much of the region as we get into the first few days of next work week. And we'll see some signs of some blocking trying to set up out there toward mid-month, and there's been some flashes on some of the modeling of a big blast of Arctic air at some point mid-month, but I'm not real confident on the exact timing of if and when that might occur just yet. All right, that is it for today's edition of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great Wednesday, and God bless.